This is Mi 11 Lite 5G and today in this video I am going to testing Mi 11 Lite 5G camera review after 1 year. I am SHADAT'S from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Right now 2022 the smartphone running Miui 13 with Android 12. By the way, I am already making Mi 11 Lite 5G full review in 2022 after Miui 13 and Android 12. Video link in the video description and the I button. The smartphone comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel main sensor with 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture and 5 megapixel macro with 2.4 aperture, and the front you can get 20 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30 fps video and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps, 240 fps video with EIS and the video quality is so good. So at first talk about the 5 megapixel macro sensor. The 5 megapixel macro sensor you can take an excellent photo if you have an excellent skill to macro photography. As you can see that I am taking a lot of macro photo. So now talk about the picture quality. The camera quality is excellent, you can get pretty much good photo with lot of details. All the photos, color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is so good. Especially I like this camera portrait mode. The portrait mode is excellent working. And let's see some photo sample. And the 20 megapixel selfie camera you also take an excellent selfie. And at the same time you also improve your camera quality, use Gcam 8.4. I am already making a dedicated video about that, video link in the video description and the I button. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you in another video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.